Welcome to my presentation for the chemistry. I am Kevin.
So, welcome everyone.
So I presented the identify and unknown substance lab unit. And in this unit, we learn the different properties of different compounds, like the metals, the nonmetals, and the metal. And the property of the metal is like it's shiny, and it donate the electricity easily, and the nonmetal is brittle, and it easily accept the electron when it react with other chemicals. And in this unit, I also do the experiment with my group members. We test the melting point and the density of our unknown substance, and it also mix some chemicals like H2SO4 and AgNO3 with our unknown substance to see if they react or not. And at last, we make sure we know that our unknown substance is the sodium chloride, but this is NaCl. It's this one. It's white solid in the room temperature, and it had high melting point, and it can react with the AgNO3 and H2SO4. And I think this unit reacts. So in this unit, I also learned some skills like speaking in front of others. We do the presentation in the chemistry class. We also learn how to work with our teammates, and I know how to observe the chemical like from its color to see what is it or how to describe it. And I think this unit affects my future. And I learned the evident one is that I learned many reactions and chemical didn't know before, like the physical properties and the chemical properties of NaCl. And it helps me like to pass the exam or the quiz in the chemistry class and get a better score in the exam. And this unit also taught me many skills which is important to find a job. Like what I said below, like how to observe, how to think critically, and how to work with teammates, and it will help us to find a better job. And I think it also affects my career. First of all, it will be helpful for me to be an engineer, which I dream to be in the future. Like, if I want to be a good engineer, I have to learn how to make a strong building, right? So I have to find out the good materials and make the good materials to make the building stronger. If I don't know chemicals and I don't know the reaction, I can't do that well. And the evidence too is that science and physicists should also know a lot of reactions. If they don't know that, they can make medicines. Like Edison can invent the light if he don't know the reactions. So, and science can make a new medicine if he don't know the reactions. So chemical is very important. And I think it also the chemical help us in our life. Like NaCl, what is our unknown substance, can react with AgNO3 and H2SO4. It can use to be made medicines or in other ways. And when we cook, the salt we put in the soup is made from NaCl. And we can live with the O2 because we believe if we want to breathe, we need the O2, and we breathe out the CO2. So the chemical is very important for us. And I think the chemistry also help us in different ways. Like NaHCl3 is used in cooking, and the silicon is used in glass. It can use to make the glass. It helps us in different ways in our life. So the conclusion is that this semester I learned identity and unknown substance lab unit, and affects my life, my future, my career and my work, because it can help me to get a better job in the exam, and it will help it affect my career because if I know a lot of chemical, I can to be a good engineer because I can find a good materials to make a strong building, to build a strong building, and it connect to my work because chemical is very important to our life. We can't live without the medical. So questions?